What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Abrochi memu na upobia to bibie friga na mawa en how hu kra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye for baku neton. Upe laser enye for baku neton. Upe kentia enye for baku neton. Upe biano enye for baku neton. Omu wanya your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so enche kura na wunsaka. U America, UK, Canada. Yes, ya for 9 na baby bia wo biano. Ombe shipi wunyamano dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no ayes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abini ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Where am I from Chami? You prepaid. Where you light out? Bacha, what be am from Koshe do so? Why? You prepaid na signer. You dey bonus na ko guso ti. Hello boss, Bacha, yet you.
Hi, Mr. Abraham. Good evening.
Yet you wouldn't be a casafi.
Yeah, from US, Columbus, Ohio.
Bacha to us, boss.
Wait, yeah, na me can say. Near me cost you crew money no. And just say pen for anymore. They know. But they see I am they say if you be awaking in the age of enlightenment, Cramponi. Awaking. Money, they say because man wicked politicians, any visionary leaders, any so-called wicked and armed robbers of religious leaders and a hijack man. Am I here, because they see
Uncle Craboni,
Nothing, honestly, if I don't associate myself with these religious affiliations, I can't win the election. It's not the answer obey. Because also the empire for EDC by the same thing obey. Omunim say in Ghana election, no, say what only a key to for sorry, and stuff was said, would the only Yamini idea, you can't win. It's your problem, number one problem, a woman, a religion, illiteracy, and politics. Sanima Miasawi. And to the meet me, I can say, see, we are the right cause, but it don't. Any question you expect to say, it might be changing right now. The most important thing for us is either international TV, not the national TV. So, not even in classic form, on Betty Banker, because you got a message. The message that you got now. Come on. You got it. And you know, I was said, no matter what, it's TV. So, because you see, we are your friend, I welcome to Mwana, your friend. After all, welcome to myself. Do those celebrations about Ghana, about Betuaba, Yatuaba, and Nadia, Roman for NGO for the also been pastor for the opinion rebel book or members now of Banama going into no. Dear Omo Peno and the Kufa Bayamo. And then the Kufa Domet now. And you know go school, you know getting in the idea. Oh, buy a son or much manaka. The papa engine figure at the Bible go school. Oh, and the senior, your problem there one idea. Yeah, my more they don't feel it, they don't feel it. Because oh Ghana, you are dead and deaf was so fair. Well, coming when you was swansea, the ever can be an own tiasia. The moment now best stepping out of the country to say, oh, Ghana is more than a shithole. Ghana is not a country at all. Ghana. And you see here, and you manage the no one here, the young empire to compare. No, we are young about cry effort. You mean I know say road near rough.
And yes, never going to be an we'll get there.
Say, don't come here say TV station. Sabotage the pull, do their best, but no matter what they do, no, the truth is the truth. Oh yeah, they no chronic air, but you are free for life. You are free for life. Shendia Koswa, you pay for one person. I don't pay me friend. I say, your friend is saying, Yarena Abano. We European countries like Italy, France, Germany, and even here in the United States. Omo making mistake because you are running by starting initially no move is a channel from one area and the precaution measures they didn't pay much attention to. Omo yana the boom. Make they start here with the pressure. Now I saw for no more the empire no way empire and say go for this water opinion is I don't take it easy on taking it serious. Then is it is this is the time I can take me even would you want me a crown your institutions like education your healthcare your non all the government institutions no free testing Obia say SHSC school ni dia ever been call yen test obia so we can no one one na you wait in check you eliminate those people now you are preventing before it got worse because spread the idea
Akolebia when you school Akolebia when you school or they assign the mates na was send their coffee they are sign the bush for
yes. Market now also market. How about Kumasi? How about Sunyani? All the 16 regional capitals. Or maybe how often Singapore, the country Singapore, every day, they are actually 2-3 days, they spread the entire country. Almost break Munti send Tontompa, Singapore, which and allowed it for my better. So at the yard going to say, Senior,
what can I say? Would it be a man?
And what can I then I'm 9 years more Ghana. And the senior, he said, the idea I bet my yard say, let's try as much as we can and get the message spread across the country. Because the Mamma, Mary Nanyajitum, Mima Minyajitum, Minyano Mutimachinajitima, Akufuado, and found your first campaign message at the Bako. They know the truth, they know what they are voting. On Timao Medadano, no.
That's it.
And the senior, what the Mamija no be Nipaco from Rasso. Najumana now you know too emotional. You know, Mr. Now I'm going to Ghana, I'm Ghana who be Bami Po, one of me from my share. Hey, men are made that citizens the Amambo, who so far so be Ghana. It's no matter what the situation, we still need to fight. Here I will come to here they understand. We must do our best to push you. TV station. Any radio station is possible. That's it, Mia.
That's it, boss.
Yes, our party or corner there, but we will get through.
Mate, that's it. Hello, General Manager. CSF general manager. General manager. Boss, yeah, we are with you. Bacha Udi ni baby akasa fi.
From Bronx.
Yo, yet you.
Akasa from New York, Bronx.
Yet you.
CSF for ball line. The chairman you know say obia ni apre a movement no e kwatre. Be hwe sa time ye bra bo kromo ha na Abraham oda so chuon ma na me hu ni say ne ewo mu no perfect sala no edipa ete. The stress CSF for ball line so ya bia ye kan mumwa ya de ya ji atum say ye nkobo afore bia na ye nso CDB amanya kopon bia ye nya kopon na ye yedim pono no o hia ye sika nfa no wadi sika no ya ankasa ene ekopay ofi ankasa ye ndi sika ene anom mo for more my movement entini on question. That's all that we it's a brief member like the idea become it's as a Ghana or mine your penny for no and your oma dreams on the board or mine Ghana and the Ghana and then make my drink on your market to episode first nanka bring your telephone call I so could not phone boot first nanka krubi or grana call the badges so to tackle krubi smoke could take corner and they anticipate you. A come here as a Ghana and you only Android crown no bunch of phone. And then we also be frapus you be so and son will be no biacasa. On an abro, also crowd to phone the apaco mano. And that wow friend. And that you couldn't say Ghana if ye be abro tree. Sanyan of a dinner to Quanya, the cousin be, Nina be, any be. We are as Yampani for which is you move a brave goes who are butchery. You move a brave assign in your quanya cry ye, Juma butchery, and to Omahuna Adia, ye yama or my DA. Ghana yet to go to so as you Yanya oil, your much as Yampani for no, only to ye. And Yanam Sekas will be a leader, and your leader so didn't pardon anymore there be. And she showered the battle from the man. You who's away a leader. Ghana and penny for a band no, or my dream is or the second term and then we need to know. Or but Naswa, near was 1 year and young warrior, if I so dinessy for 1 year no. Second term no onya. Says ya Ghana about the religious economy in ye run el Ghana. O man I get no. Just a obey your sort of near a sifom, I had yet no. Yan to Abama. Nanka isidering and nanka and no more thing Ghana and no more thing if you say we President Itimiko Krubi so no see public toilet amomo. President I would near Dino. Excuse me. What you mean bet my shemra akase? My pain so no from January at the Messi by June if you be a toilet if you rap your daughter cocota. I'm off for the baby. Ni be toilet or Ghana and never to miss the papa be all. Now, so as I say, Omo say, and no, or mine, a mouth for a drink or form. O hearing common to on Betimaka to your toilet among now, President Lucy toilet, Mamma, and a crying insult. Or here, Kruma, Obaka President, my one toilet, now said war in the Casa wagon, you know. Name Pesabaka and yet you want a white drink of form. Sir President, any. A handful a premier seat toilet is a crew this one. Not me name a dream one penny.
Near Catty, toilet near Cockatty sword.
Toilet, you shall be a tinit Yakumasa was a cook sword.
Toilet.
So you could be a toilet. And that teacher the Yajuma. But an young idea bet to my enemy say, Mommy, I'm one message, you know, and could you so. Message, mommy, I'm what name could her. Special, yeah, well, I used to say 200 and something. May how many castles, and move bear, 85 or 90% I all like to see in a butcher phone. One of the other countries,
Because of coronavirus, no shut down. No, omo bi antumi nsa ni sika o. Boom, obroni nyansa. Onimsa anwochiraba. Sika na wenya woni kurom no. O be sani bia ma obusuafo. Wa stop you from sending money. Spend this kind of kurom wo. When woni nyansa.
Omanye pekwe biniye mo. The penny for no. Omo nya omo adwin say. So person urulu ebi before no. Also you bia. Wedding is answer before no said the assuming now cafe done in nine in things one year near this will be really before. As I said, the beginning pass or really because of 1 year. The entire continent of Africa, no, they how many cars from Betmarkers about 95% of them said the only night Jimmy for. Enyasafonia kakrebi entino ndio ni mnyasa kakano ba office ko no munyo munyasa tino rani omusa yeah ko no bi keni ba many fee efia e wo adaso ho no mo many fee some start ye dem ba Ghana mi hu ayini ma na be fan kan efia mi hu on adaso ho sa ha president ba da ba ka say no na pay so ko ya fa but of the office I can the next term no obelus into oba no what hosa if your president ordain obekasa hayen tade wa Ghana ni free Ghana be rubber chip na bibi e fa system na fa ne no mum na ne waso ye no
na adwen na ye aduma
jin start e ye aduma adwen no ye aduma but obedu no kroma enfa no onam no atumura atwene. Also, Obi Freya, no Kakane Japan, Kaya Japan, Obe Kappa pay us some Obi and Yaji. I feel I was thinking of 4 parts, and that's a gun and beer. So, we scan now book from what we fap and dog or patchable. What a Ghana now book no I penimuna with Cadia, with any fap and dog echo book no. The Ghana here, the NC wow, may say, Yahim for Ghana, but showing their good near the president of it, my son, in the Suda. I just say, Yanga playing so, any brave bit my sadiano.
Yeah.
There's a for me, I'm one message in to your youth to follow any of my name, your mammy, bro, for them could not lie more trouble, not generally setting. Na adwene and research na kadesi abake beto no mesinga disi ya ba ke dusi e kotwa nkombesi nyansa otin kransa o yes so na kudu so na koto emoni anwa ene ho de kwache because omo mo to na komodi omo but see message if you say e ko bo adwene be ma odi amu no to ana ni padi biasa no odi anwa ni to ana ni padi biasa o nsi ho biem e beto atia Ghana for CSF more life, yes, some other some this week. More my year budget. Now, my who's car when ya near when the officer the best also. If me, I know my yard this month ending. Station be Uncle contractor, young as every station be the Chicago chair.
That's it. What's your car? That's it. What? Back manager. That's it.
And you know, when your budget, no more station crop for some more. When you're fruit chim from at war. And can't just say na station media. Oma ye hu bia tito. Na ya ho did you bit me ya famwa.
That's it. That's senior.
Ya ka e kani taka kra bia ye beboa ma ade ebeko TV so. So was here got to radio station be air time for go manta ye beko radio so. Either radio or TV mon ko pe budget na famra. I was say e mu bako itini ko ho no mani ya and ye ka sabu ni enko contract ma baka say content ma so airtime ni eto ya ni beto airtime and ya no mo ani mu that's a message said ya bo tin no say she sleep be bria mo pesa mo ko no for fetch no makọ ko sabotage ho
be craft fra wo say ante so plenty message no so anse ya ba
so je ti ku pe mono enwa ne o se de mo esa sta bi si amenya mri yanku yanimida my Ghana afia eku hono mo na musa ko bi type se kunin se de go fi Ghana enem mo na ko e fa mi o ma bia ni kru bia
na Ghana ni o type sa asem we ya na wo de ne how
Ghana is a shegu Ghana ye betimi di kria yanku ama Ghana obi ayi She a year, and can really go. Count person back in my office and go to them Calcutta. I call your family. There's not a sick cabin. Now she and penny for a body by ye. It's your mind Ghana and then more than Ghana. Most of your friends show here, some will be a pipe at the Cheneva. I ain't kind, probably your pipe about once a month. And kind, probably one kind, pipe about once a month. Now, most of your friends show here, that Johnson about where I said that there were.
Senior, that's it. Yeah, that's it. CSF. My black. Mamma quite my home. Why? A black, eh? A dig on a chair, you boo, young ranty, and you boo. Now, Cocranate to ho. Why? I drain on your juma body in the bread, but I'm going to say, by something in cabin. Why? And I dream, me raw, oh, papa. Banning and I, Madame, I say, I love you. Why? CSF. Bye.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Pack treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for by your friend abiexpress.com. Who are brochimemu now pobiato bibi frigana mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria and yen for baku neton, upe laser and yen for baku neton, upe katia and yen for baku neton. Bia upe biano and yen for baku neton. One your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so and chakura na wosaka u America, UK, Canada. We are here for 9 na baby bia wo biano be shipping wunyamano dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no I yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abini ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source and pack.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow. You guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But, Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Christians, my friends, foolish born-again Christians who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah, Zoe once again. You know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions. Very relevant. Don't be offended. Better music. Alright, tie. Many so time me who we are seeing no me no. And I yesu beba maybe sanebia na wengu. Fise free tete. A Christopher Jesus is coming soon 20 years ago. And so still I won't do. Common sense in judgment in yansa da wa yenhu. Garden of feeding. Onyankopon se dua de wembu. Yeah. To be on the map on sama went to. Owie ye was bon sama me boni ameko jemu. When you blasphemy ba me who say it make sense. On the ball me or mama journey for self defense. When I go bob on some ni paya bonia. I then I won't couldn't to avoid more offense. But when kumun sam no kone ba. Before then, we be kuhumu binkeka. Or not this room for when temene aquanantena. Na jena jetia sasso na jebe shama na jaconya. Hey, who be the enemy? Samoka sebon samoa is Sunday so funny. O Christonia unido, munyame sumponi. Na mobon paye tututu na bruni make more money. And pabon save your economy, so shut up. Use the common sense. Dear Jumade boa woman nenya with daily bread. Na two we japa dear who fence. O kwa sorry you one ko body nane church. Utu yesika de monso for na yire na wekesh. Unyankopon we need bank account. Nyame so pane so bebe kakra ko hwenyanka. Utu ya wo tight, tu ya wo dues, emu dollar pounds. Eso make us say you be pound sorry akodim pampa. Without the respect, ya marry asa meso nyame o. Unyankopon boy say ye meso me yan ho. Enti we ye lawyer nia, we ye doctor nia, we ye teacher nia, di no kure eno ano no. CSF Abraham be Moshe. Nana yeton kante manka Ghana antiti say religion ti kamia ye se nyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yankocha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a ye frɛ wo saying was your friend Frederick. And so be hu broni bia ye friend Kofi Konto. Ya yara identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni say nekete that's why bibeni mbobo. Adwene ne ho abode ne bre. Obi ne ho a wotwe abebe sika da ho a wonpe. Wa broni kapra ye de to ahwe de. Enti Africa yanto ye ne meye be ye mobo. Your friend is away nyum ne ye me bomo kokko.
Mr. Banksy on the beat.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Who are brochimemu no pobia to be free Ghana mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria and yen for baku neton, upe laser and yen for baku neton, upe katia and yen for baku neton, bipe bia upe biano and yen for baku neton, one your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so and chekrana wosaka, u America, UK, Canada, yes, for 9 na baby bia wo biano, shipping wunyamano dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no, I yes a makola ewo online. abiexpress.com. Kai say Abini ABBI. abiexpress.com. Online store papa. abiexpress.com. All in one source pack.
Hi, battery.
Yes, thank you. Wow. You guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, we're dropping. You can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, dropping has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take dropping. Bam.
Dropping. Your convenience is our drive.
Abusuafo mama mu nyina akwaba enwumbre bebi awo bia no e de aba manda dwumadie so edam nyina ase CSF edam nyina ase aseda kese enkoma top fan for ni nyina top fan for any new members ya mo aba ene mo am share video ni nyina medam nyina ase moya de nipa ya de osaye moye bi CSF ti dem de say had ye ba in some bo mine on kwan you discuss wa ti I'm proud of this movement and I'm proud of everybody enumre ya ba ja said dem share mo bono e ba be sua de biom medam nyina ase say baby edu de CSF no wa ginsem ti ya mpese be man obi ara hosem me pa mo chaw obi bia o pese o take advantage me pese me sanboa even our haters omo motan ye no me pese me am sanboa omo obi bia o pese o trendy and I would do a chile because of CSF no me ata ye make se o de fa so ye Kristo ni o ye sofo o pese o kasa ni do a chile say me make sense. Don't try to disprove me. And yes, sir, your members will be typing amen, but in their subconscious, they know you are stupid. Wow. Ubia opese me started na me views, but a Kofi Adoma any base count. Any other people ne boa me and I me do actually. Wow, Voices of Ghanaians abroad, no money idea, no money na boa me na man for me interview, and I me do actually. Inti me pesa me boa nkrofo, no money na so do actually. Auntie, me pacha, o ya sofu, obi bia, o pese, o so o message e do actually no. Yeah, Bema camp for Michiamo. Mi salutu mu nyina Bema camp Michiamo. Auntie, me srewa, o pese, o message do actually. Men disprove me. Wow, message a me ye nanse a, me de pressure eto asofo so ikwohwe Mark Aban. Wow. Na odidi matem, odidi CSF nyina atem. Wow, o ye sofo, o ye sa enye ti Yahuda kra koso a na Yahuda kra buafu. Wow. But very bad. Pamcho Makaban. Srewa why? Say me make sense ya no wa support it. Why? Abrochire said ye almost ya toto ne ma no. Enya sa na Africa tie. Why? Ti Makaban me pacho. Suanyansa. Why? Why? Pacho. Suanyansa. Why? Men fa Jesus suban no. Why? Okay. Me da nyina ase. Enwumre me wie enamenche. Ene this year a year of election. A year yeba betuaba. Topic ni Mesra CSF. Oh, yanjem paibo. Mpaibo the special prayer from a special camp. Why? Yahuda. Mami nsio why? Mama me dey you why? Ti Mr. Mwa mpaibo no a free special camp munti. In the name of Jesus. Fire
Every bad situation, we overturn it in the name of Jesus. Come on in the upper. Come on in the upper.
Yeah, I was for and that the empire one the autumn said, baby, I'm pie body free rich. I said to me, dear, yeah, T. Mechia Ubibia, Mamma Kwaba. I have no, ye dear grow, me pamochow. Video na me ba ya me dear grow, ye cracky jokes no, me pamochow, minimum sem pay you for lawyer, na impenyufo no. Yeah, mo pese every day, fire, but Miss Remo, and mofra, you to me a dear woman to Miss Remo and let them pamochow, mo friend Chemi say, a Daniel grow dear kakra. And that topic, no, any, why? Me. Ube say obi o Ghana ha a ope omampanyin na nado asem a eyeme me be kire odi ntia eyeme why na ma kire mo say Ghanaians we are our own enemies yen ye ka hu bi our politicians no we are our own Jay, any my impaying no, omunya hihye papa amaye no. Yempanyimfo no, omunim de ye, ene de ye mo omu ne omobusua. Sebi mpreduasa. Ene me ka kire Yahuda, eda na Yahuda, ye lesson bi. Na wo kasa bade 100 million aba no. Ena Yahuda akasa, bisa me ba Yahuda na ti ya no. Na me first Yahuda, ko delete video no. Obe kasa but impanyimfo ye careful. Na se konwa na esi wono wawo ye de wo kwotena so a when take time abebodam hwe democracy na abrofo de aba no wo kwotena konwa na so pe na ahoma bi akekere wonan. Don't blame Nanado, don't blame John Dramani Mahama, don't blame nature. Say ye momunye free, they can deliver because Paul Kagame is doing it. It is not easy, but ebi before no ye will subi sa yesu na ye wono enama ye mpanyimfo boy abro edi enti no man panyini adumani ho problems, important issues wo drinking water could be proper drinking water e be nya bi no be see cathedral. That is what the people want. Ye ka ho. We are our own problems. Yen ye cause problem, black people. And yeah, but maybe how to vote. Mama will say, ye can be any opinion for in deliver. Why the casa Nanado nim said you boo mine? Why the casa John Dramani Mama can't deliver? You will soon bind me. Maybe yes, see me be phone lines. And that day, if I say me be phone lines, no be 30 minutes na mo kasa. Jempenyin phone him dia ye mayen. Ene dia ye mo. Fly Star House dia, omunya bambo omo pe. Oh, me be yi video bi. Hwe video no. Fly Star House wo, hwe dia si.
Yeah, minority leadership. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm not using the mask because 2 days ago we had the opportunity of meeting the WHO and the Minister of Health, and they cautioned. Honorable, I will not allow. Mr. Speaker, I'm reading. Honorable, please, because we are using it. Please, if you don't want to wear the mask, please keep your reason to yourself. There is education on it.
Minia, video ya will share when Speaker of Parliament. Oh, said the near brea. Papa, they you must referee na no, the ni brea bre. These people, they know what is right. Momu go parliament also odie. Momu slow coronavirus. Young citizens re. Maybe so. Young nipa. Na me kasa. Na Mark Aban. Akwa koso video. Mark up, Mama can't tell them. When somebody is making sense, o person also trendy so don't disprove. Me Bible no attack me. ba ye ko ma ye man ma ka kire mu Ghana fo na be pa mo chew ma kwatena brochire no hwe obi owa brochire 15 years 20 years unim de ekoso ofie unim amane ye hu ofie anka nkasa wan kasa okotena brochire no said ya wo wafa Kristosom okotena Saudi Arabia okotena Iran okotena Iraq said ya wafa nkremosum at aswa no sa no mo afa aswa. Oh, say Speaker of Parliament, baby, when you do ni yamoshano. Yes, and kwanye de. Coronavirus abeya amanfo yamoshiom tie yemani bi tie. Virus na ban and yes sister be for me fi code we Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire border. O si nipa koba sebe we ka say enwan. Tie yes sister.
I'm sorry why. You die to me that. And the piano sister Rebecca say you are education. No authority did me. And they that's so sad.
Okay. Mr. Honorable Speaker of Parliament, the near break. We will say nkwan ye de. Hwe. Oba be you mask.
Minority leadership. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm not using the mask because 2 days ago we had the opportunity of meeting the WHO and the Minister of Health, and they cautioned. Honorable, I will not allow. Speaker, I'm reading. Honorable, please, because we are using it. Please, if you don't want to wear the mask, please keep your reason to yourself. There is education on it.
I was the Speaker of Parliament. I am fast. Share. Oba be you max o anu na wakasa. Timpanyufo mumu nya bambo. Na yen citizens re. The future of this country depends on the youth. Yen ya baby, actually another method that ibetu dia fight coronavirus. Me pacha wa benya important message be an first enemy. Why? Why? Yen ya baby, very positive message. Also chere Ghana for bacho mayenhwe na yare na ehu bacho mayenhwe ewia ni ento aso. Why? Becho said you beto aba. Why? Ye ka